Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a quiz on antonyms. If you haven't watched our previous parts, make sure you do. I link them down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of the word agree? The correct option is B. Disagree. Question 2. What is the antonym of the word appear? The correct option is A. Disappear. Question 3. What is the antonym of the word allow? The correct option is C. Forbid. Question 4. What is the antonym of the word awake? The correct option is B. Asleep. Question 5. What is the antonym of the word build? The correct option is D. Demolish. Question 6. What is the antonym of the word careful? The correct option is A. Careless. Question 7. What is the antonym of the word deep? The correct option is B. Shallow. Question 8. What is the antonym of the word demand? The correct option is C. Offer. Question 9. What is the antonym of the word difficult? The correct option is C. Easy. Question 10. What is the antonym of the word enemy? The correct option is A. Friend. Question 11. What is the antonym of the word empty? The correct option is D. Full. Question 12. What is the antonym of the word entertain? The correct option is B. Bore. Question 13. What is the antonym of the word exact? The correct option is B. Approximate. Question 14. What is the antonym of the word expand? The correct option is A. Contract. Question 15. What is the antonym of the word generous? The correct option is C. Mean. Question 16. What is the antonym of the word guilty? The correct option is B. Innocent. Question 17. What is the antonym of the word heavy? The correct option is A. Light. Question 18. What is the antonym of the word increase? The correct option is A. Decrease. Question 19. What is the antonym of the word polite? The correct option is C. Rude. Question 20. What is the antonym of the word possible? The correct option is C. Impossible. Question 21. What is the antonym of the word silent? The correct option is B. Noisy. Question 22. What is the antonym of the word strong? The correct option is C. Weak. Question 23. What is the antonym of the word truthful? The correct option is D. Dishonest. Question 24. What is the antonym of the word useful? The correct option is A. Useless. Question 25. What is the antonym of the word victory? The correct option is C. Defeat. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.